until he was 21.
I don't know if you can hear this, but somebody's snoring.
Give me the name of one of your tracks, bro.
Product.
Yeah. Like the shoe.
Nah, the product. Not like the shoe.
Product. And our camera guy says, so what's Compton like?
It's real serious how I can't go to Compton. I used to come when I was a music board. I used to go to Compton all the time. People that are fun.
Yes, beautiful Compton, California.
Can we hear that? I can't reach the remote to mute the TV.
Relating to a rapper, but it helps. All right, bro, I appreciate it. Yeah, have a good night. We got a big senator talking about Prop 19.
The pot problem.
Sleeping on mommy's lap. He was watching TMZ.
It's pretty great.
Out like a light and snoring.